Ever pondered the seemingly magical process that transforms your grimy, stained clothes into a fresh, clean wardrobe? The secret lies in an intriguing scientific phenomenon called Micelle formation. Delve into the world of chemistry, where molecules dance in a delicate choreography. Micelle formation begins with the introduction of soap or detergent into water. These cleaning agents contain molecules known as surfactants. Surfactants are fascinating characters, possessing a dual nature. One end of a surfactant molecule loves water. We call this hydrophilic. The other end despises it. We refer to this as hydrophobic. When surfactants encounter water, an extraordinary thing happens. The hydrophilic ends rush towards the water, embracing it with open arms. In contrast, the hydrophobic ends shy away, huddling together to avoid contact. This gathering of hydrophobic ends in the middle, surrounded by the water-loving ends, forms a sphere. This sphere is what we call a micelle. Think of a micelle as a microscopic scrubbing bubble. The hydrophobic ends trapped inside are eager to latch onto anything that isn't water. Enter the grime on your clothes, a mix of oils and dirt. The micelles pounce on these stains, their hydrophobic centers attracting the oil and dirt. The micelles encase the grime, forming a shell around it with their water-loving ends facing outwards. This allows the now grime-filled micelles to be washed away with the water, leaving your clothes spotless. In summary, micelle formation is a fascinating dance of molecules that plays a pivotal role in cleaning. The dual nature of surfactants allows them to form micelles, which act as microscopic scrubbing bubbles. These micelles attract and trap the grime on your clothes, encasing it and allowing it to be washed away. The result? A load of fresh, clean clothes, all thanks to the power of micelles. So, the next time you're doing laundry, remember the remarkable science at work behind the scenes.